Hiccups are like uninvited guests. They show up, yell hic, and refuse to leave. But why does your body turn into a broken kazoo? Let's solve the mystery. Meet your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it freaks out, slamming shut your vocal cords. Cue hic. It's like your body's own glitchy app. Hiccups love chaos. Chugging soda, fire drill challenges, stress, they're all accomplices. Basically, your diaphragm hates hiccups. You gotta outsmart them. Chug water upside down, hold your breath, or scare them away. Yes, it's weird. Yes, it works. Sometimes, hiccups might win battles, but you'll win the war. Just remember, they're temporary, unlike that embarrassing hiccup during math class.